So anyway, this is is it called the Churchill Shopping Centre? And this is what it's like on the DJI Nano. This is how the Nano looks when you're filming indoors in somewhere that's lit by bright LEDs. Usually the LEDs are a problem and they flicker, even though you've got anti-flicker on and you've set the camera. If you're in the UK, you need to set it to 25 frames per second, or you might be in a region where you need 30 frames per second. And you wanted to go into pull and bear, which I'd never heard of before. I thought it was called pulling bear, but it's pull and bear.
Pull and bear.
So I'm chest wearing like this. The camera's down here. I'm chest wearing it on. This is horizon balancing on D-warp setting. And I'm just wandering aimlessly around the aisles looking at the keenly priced products. I'm going to go into IKEA now. It's a brand new IKEA that's just opened, and they are really funny about filming in Oxford Street. So I don't know what they'll be like here. I'll hide the camera as we walk through the door. What I have been doing is wearing the camera on here, so it kind of blends in with my coat, which is kind of nice. But let's see how much I can get in the IKEA store. Probably not much at all. This one. There's your thing. Does it work now?
Yeah, it does work.
Oh, good.
I think what?
Oh, that looks nice. Look at that.
What's that?
It's for a kitchen top. Oh, I quite like that.
What would you put in it?
Knives and drone things.
Train thing.
But it's clutter though, isn't it?
A little bit. It's just a tiny bit small.
And it'll get wet and mouldy. Right, so what I'm looking for, they usually have them with the shelves, is they're like bookends that you put on the end of a shelf. So, oh yeah, so if you see shelves.
Really need to replace one by our bacteria. What this one is then?
Look, I can see how well I'm doing on here. Oh, here we go, bookshelves. And it's shaped like a bee as well.
A bee.
A bee.
Like a bumblebee or a bee?
A letter B. Yeah.
I was going to say, why is it shaped like a bumblebee?
Sorry?
I was going to say, why is it shaped like a bumblebee?
Yeah. There's lighting. Seems to be coping with the mad LEDs. So I'll just look around, see if it can cope with all kinds of light.
I'm actually quite tired now.
Are you? Yeah, me too.
I need some marshmallows.
Oh, here we go. Right, so it'll be around here somewhere. Right? Oh no. I need shelves. I'll just try and look on here. No. Oh. That one.
Why a bee?
I don't know, they just do. Oh. They don't have it here. Don't know if in Oxford Street. I think there are only 2 in Southampton. 6 in Oxford Street. At Southampton. 31 in Southampton, okay. But not here. Oh, that's a shame. Okay. Right, this will... Oh, that's a fail, isn't it?
Orchid. Is that like pineapple?
Yeah.
Is that an actual pineapple?
I don't know. Ananas. Yeah, it is.
So you should grow a pineapple?
I guess you can.
What the hell? That's so cute.
Do you want one?
I think they can carry it.
£7 pineapple. And then you could cut it up and put it on some cheese.
Let's grow our own cheese as well. Let's buy a goat.
Yeah.
Make some goat cheese. Where should I find it?
Yeah.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
What? It's like a plant, and then there's just a pineapple growing on it.
Huh?
Shouldn't we go? Oh wait, exit.
Oh, maybe
that
we should get something like this, you know? I mean, not that one, because it's got the hooks missing, but... Then he walked into a sign. Let's go on. Oh, going this way.
It's 12:32.
Okay, we've got to go.
You have to what?
Sorry.
We have to go back.
Oh, we could have meatballs and chips if you wanted. It sounds what?
But I'm going to move forward.
Oh, okay.
Just like when we were in London, I was going to make sushi.
So that's what it's like filming in an IKEA, a brand new IKEA. On the screen it looked like the lights could cope, the camera could cope with the lights. There was different LED type indoor lights, which is really difficult for vloggers who shoot in stores and shoot indoors. So yeah, it's coping quite well, I think, the camera, with the indoorsy lighting and shopping centre lighting. And even better, I've not been told to stop filming yet, so maybe they're just used to it in Brighton. They just don't care. I think they've got so many vloggers here in Brighton, but you know, they'll probably stop you if you don't have a camera.